Hey guys, welcome back to It's a Party. I'm Nate. So let's say you're throwing a party and you can't think of that perfect cocktail that you want to make for all your guests. In this video, we're going to show you guys how to make a Moscow Mule. It's simple, delicious, it's elegant, you guys are going to love it. Alright, let's jump right in. We need a copper mug. That's super important. We need some vodka. We also need some ginger beer and some fresh lime juice. We're going to start by adding some crushed ice right to our copper mug. Now today I'm using Absolute vodka, but feel free to use whatever vodka that you like. We're going to add that right over our ice. Now it's important that you use fresh lime juice. Don't use pre-squeeze or any of that stuff. We need that fresh, sweet, crispy bite from that fresh lime. Now we're going to add some ginger beer. If you've never had ginger beer, you're missing out. It's peppery, it's sweet, it's got that wonderful carbonation, and it really makes the vodka pop. Now all we need to do is garnish with the lime, and that, my friends, is how easy it is to make a Moscow Mule. I hope you guys love that recipe just as much as we do. It's simple and elegant and classy, and it really is foolproof. It's going to be awesome at your next party. If you guys are on Facebook, be sure to click the like button, leave us a comment, videos you want to see in the future, recipes, cocktails, any of that fun stuff. If you're on YouTube, click the subscribe button, and as always, if you love it, share it, because with good food and good drinks, it's a party.